on question 13, I have a binomial squared. So whenever I have a binomial squared, it's actually a FOIL question. And that's going to be 9 plus 6i plus another 6i plus 4i squared. And anytime I see the I squared, I want to replace it with a -1. Which is going to make that a -4, which can combine with the 9 to be 5. And that'll be my final answer. Skipping to number 16, I want to FOIL these, and that's going to be a +25 plus 15i minus 15i minus 9i squared. So these middle terms cancel out, and I have 25 minus 9 times -1, because I do want to replace anytime I see an I squared with a -1. So that will be 25 plus 9, which is going to be 34.